Event warning. At around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been reports of strange blood rain in the city of Baltimore and Frederick. It is confirmed to be 90% heavy rain with 25% BIT of lightning and 50 miles per hour wind. The night sky has also been seen darkening red even though the moon is not even red. The National Weather Service and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is looking into the strange event. It is seen that the rain seems to be glowing as bright as neon. No emergency.
Warning. This is a serious message. Please pay attention. Weather warning. In just a minute, there are reports of flash floods and tsunamis around half of the U.S. Canada and Mexico has also told us about this crazy weather event. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has noticed something unusual with the clouds as well. The clouds are turning dark red, as well as the sky. It looks black because we can't see it due to nighttime. There are still no emergency instructions. Right. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. NASA has confirmed that the moon has also been involved within the blood weather situation. The moon was spotted to redden and glow bright red. The situation has now become dangerous as thousands of people were engulfed by the bloody floods and threatened tsunamis and were unable to get out alive. It is time to instruct for safety. Everyone must gather their supplies, such as food, water, a mask, cash, flashlight due to nighttime, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate to the nearest shelter. NASA and NOAA are working together to try and find a solution to this dangerous weather situation.
The United Nations has issued a severe multinational catastrophe. 5 minutes ago. The blood weather situation has affected multiple countries besides just the US. The problem has escalated through the US and Russia. Worse, it's still spreading just like how it shows in Russia. It has also been seen that the moon was turning red as well, according to NASA. It is only
The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued an update about the red moon. The moon is now crystallic red with the craters being invisible. Something else is going on as well. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has said that people were turning red-skinned. NASA confirmed the red skin condition is when you look at this bloody moon. The World Health Organization will investigate if this red skin condition is fatal or not. Let's get back to the World Health Organization has finished their investigation in just a minute. WHO has confirmed that the red skin condition is disease. People were seen with skin peeling from their bodies like oranges while their skin turns red. WHO is developing a vaccine to combat this event. The United States Space Force is taking action against this evil moon.
Well done, Space Cadet. The moon is still red, but it's back to its harmless form anyways. But we need to try to solve the world problem as well, and
message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The blood weather is slowly but surely taking over the world. Several collapses feared, but chances are that we will survive. A tornado has even been formed, resulting in the risk of hurricanes. If the tornado is red and filled with blood, the United States Chemical Safety and Hazard Investigation Board has also detected some disturbing results with the blood weather. They said that it is actually real human blood instead of just special chemicals that make it look like blood. All results are
Something's going on with the Earth. I gotta check it out. Wait, what the heck happened to this? The interface was blue, not red. It's red now. It was supposed to be blue. Oh well, connection found. Let me put in my password. Okay. Even that's supposed to be blue. Okay. Let me check out what's going on, because the Earth is starting to get bloody. Yes. Okay. Running out. Program. What the hell? Oh, no pun intended. Okay. File 1. Block with pass. Re-enter your account. The file 1 contains privacy info. So, whoa, what the heck? What happened to the nature file? Okay, I gotta stop this. Disable. What? Action failed? But I'm the god. Hey, it got rid of the blacklist option. Okay, just block. There we go. Hold on now, but hey, it unblocked by itself. Block. Block. Oh, jeez. Okay. Action. Okay, let me... Oh my god, that is totally not... No. You gotta get the action. Actually... Hey, where did the play button go? Recycle? There's nothing in the recycle anymore. Okay. Command. Now let me type the field. Hey, it won't type. Okay. Chill service. Of course that didn't work. Scan? My internet's connected, what are you talking about? Okay, control R. Yeah, I did that. Control R. And it's still in the crazy mode. Okay, come on. Oh, I have an idea. I have this. Scan, drag file to box. There's gotta be stuff in there. 45 already? Oh my god, 56. 77. 1,000? No, I gotta stop this. Come on. Oh. There we go. All fixed.
Is this thing working? Okay. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United Nations. Station WTOP, FM 303.5. The dangerous weather situation has disappeared in just 15 minutes. Unfortunately, the world did not go unscarred. As a result, government repair is guaranteed to take 5 months due to advanced technology being on the things that survived completely. But oh well. Danger subsided, everyone is now safe to exit their shelters and resume their normal activities. Normal programming may continue.